I'm going to share with you all some of the new snacks that I've gotten. I consider these healthy snacks because usually they're just the fruit that is freeze dry, nothing else. So it's basically I'll be snacking on fruits, and I wouldn't feel guilty if I snack on fruits, so that's good. I did have a really bad craving last week, so I basically only really snack when I get a craving, which might be once a week. When I get the cravings, it's triggered, and sometimes it have nothing to do with my emotion. My emotion is perfectly fine, but somebody might come in and the energy is just so off, and it feels like I get suffocated with it, and it's because I absorb it, and then I end up craving sweets and sometimes salty. But I'm still trying to work on the fact that I do absorb other people's energy or their emotion. If anybody know what to do about that, I'm open for suggestion. But that really throws me off in terms of my energy level and my cravings. Okay, so let's go with jackfruit, because none of these I've tried, so I'm pretty excited about them. You know, jackfruit have that this offensive smell, kind of like, I don't know what they call it, what scent they describe it as. This don't have it. You could smell the jackfruit, smell like jackfruit, but not the offensive part of the jackfruit. Okay, this is what it looked like. This is very good. I actually really like the texture of it. It's like biting into a really hard candy, and it's sweet. It's very sweet, so it will help with any sweet cravings. And this is the first time I'm tasting it, so I think it's a really nice flavor. It really tastes like candy, so I really like it. And it also have a crunch, a nice hard crunch. Yeah. Next one is Longan puff. It doesn't smell like anything in particular. This have a kind of neutral scent. So this is it. It's pretty hard. I thought this had a seed in it. Here's what it looked like. And I can't really. This. I'll have to bite in it to show the texture. I have a texture for conkles. The taste I don't like too much. It's okay. I will eat this. I won't throw it away. But it's not my favorite. It's very sweet, but the flavor. Let me see something. Okay, I tried sucking on it to see if I will like the flavor anymore. I don't really like the flavor too much, but it's okay. Like, I mean, I will eat it. I won't throw it away. Okay. The next one is star fruit, and I mean usually this one I also see it in the Asian grocery. It doesn't have a strong, it is not really a strong scent, and this is the texture. So it's slightly acidic, a little bit sweet. This one not so great either. I'm out of luck this round. Alright, so this one is okay. I'm still gonna eat it, you know, but it's not like, you know, like this one. This one would be tempting. These I'll eat them, but they won't be like so tempting. Okay, so next one is figs. So this should be good because it looks so cute. Look at it. It still have the color. You know how sometimes when it dry it get brown. It look like a fresh fig. Okay, that's the texture. Okay. The texture is nice and crunchy, but I was expecting the sweetness of a dry fig, how sweet and, you know, that sweetness of, yeah, I was expecting the sweetness of a dry fig. It turned out that it's not that sweet because it kind of maintained the texture, the sweetness of a fresh fig, which, yeah, which doesn't be as sweet as a dry one. So this is a little bit, this is a little bit disappointing, and you know, so usually I'm very good at choosing stuff, but no, this one didn't. I mean, this is okay. I mean, they're good enough to eat. They're good enough to eat. I'm gonna eat all of them, but it's not super good. Okay, passion fruit. Wow. I can't believe this. Alright, so the passion fruit, but I like passion fruit, so I have no way passion fruit could go wrong. Okay, look at this. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, this smells so good. This is it. So it has seeds and everything, but the seed will give you fiber, and I should have some nutrients in that seed, so that's good. Oh, the texture, kind of soft texture. Oops. This one is acidic. It's not sweet at all. The seed have a nice crunch. The rest of it is a little bit sticky. But if you like sour, if you crave sour, or you like that sour taste, I like sour taste, so I like it. I don't know what I was expecting for this one, but I do like it. I might add some salt and pepper to it. But this one is, it's not sweet, it's sour. So anybody who likes sour candies or sour, this one will be good. So let's see. This one win the jackfruit by far. By far. This one is like This was like a 5 out of a 5, and then followed by the others just didn't make the cut. So then followed by this one, the fig, then the passion fruit, and then the star fruit, and then the Longan. So I didn't do so good with this set of choices, but this one really great. The jackfruit is really good. The others, this one smells really good. Like I could just keep smelling it. It smells really nice. Have a nice passion fruit scent. So that's it. Thank you.